and then click on this part. Now I will make a straight line here by clicking on my right mouse button. So, and I will make a right click there. I will pick up this one and I will drag it like this. But I need a little bit more space. Oh, sorry, it's not very straight. I think that's okay. It can be just a little bit more. I think I need to hold my control key down for the straight line. Also here. Put it a little bit lower. Oh, I'm sorry. Now they were all selected. I just need this one. So that looks better. So this actually is ready. For those letters you need to fix them. Now we're going to go to this part. And therefore we go to digitize. On the toolbox, you click on digitize, digitize closed shape. Make sure you select fill. And over here under object properties, we will choose satin. And I will start here. Also I will pick another color, light gray. But you can also do that later. I use now right mouse clicks because the right mouse clicks give a curve. I will put out the sound now. And the one at the end, I will do a left mouse click for a straight line. Over here, I will use a right mouse click. Now, this is my last stitch, and I click enter. Enter twice. Now, this is the satin. And I will do this one in the same way. Now I have made this one, but as you can see it doesn't look nice. So I'm not going to use this. Oh, I'm sorry. What I will do is I will use a motif stitch because it looks on the picture like it's a little bit open. So I click on select, here click on it, and then I choose motif. Now I have this motif, but that's not the one that I want. So under motif here, as you can see, this is black work, but I will choose single motif. That are also motifs that comes with the program, and these are some of them. But if I click here on this arrow, I click on it, and you see I can see more. Now I will pick this one up by left mouse click here, drag it to another place and stretch it. So you see there are more motifs. So I'm just going to play with it. To the arrow, I will choose another color so you can see the stitch better, because gray and gray doesn't look so good. It's too big, too big. this one could be. This one is too big. It needs to be a small one. That one is big. That one is also big. Well, just search for one. I think the one that I had, which one was it? Was okay. Was this one? That one? I don't remember. Well, let's pick this one. Click on the cross. And what you can do now is right mouse click on this one. Copy object properties. Left mouse click on that one. Right mouse click on that one and say apply object properties. So it will apply the same properties as this one. And make the color blue. And also here, right mouse click, apply object properties and blue again. Next step is I wanted to go more with the lines. So I click on that one and I go under object properties to effect. Of course you don't need to do it, but I will. And I choose for Florentine effect. Look, it already has the lines different. And now I'm going to click on reshape. And here you see this round line. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here. Right mouse click on the line. So I get another curved line. Oh, sorry. Sometimes it will happen when it's stretched too much. Right mouse click. Let me see if it's, yeah, that's better. Let me put here also one. And this one, if it works, I'm not sure. Let me try carefully. Move it a little bit to there. Zoom in. Left mouse click here. This one still not good, so left mouse click here. So that's better. So if I click now on select, you see it will go with the line of the object. The same here. Click on it, go to effect, Florentine fill, reshape, and try to make the shape here. Leave it as it is. Well, this one is too small, so next step is the red arrow. So digitize, close shape, fill, and I'm going to use satin stitch. If your object property doesn't show, sometimes it's gone, and this one also, they are here on that side. So here's object properties. If I click on it, it will open. And I will choose satin for this one. Zoom in. They are all left mouse clicks. Enter twice and choose the color red. These need to be also red. And the blue ones need to be gray. There's another way to do that, and that's over here. There are objects, as you can see now. If I click here on the arrow, you see the object's very big, but that's not nice. I always do it like this. You can click on colors, and here are the colors that you use. So if I click on this one, and I choose now light gray, all the blue will be light gray. The only thing we need to do is that little line. So we're going to digitize open shape, and we're going to choose Saturn, and the width I will put 1.75. Left mouse click here, drag it to there, hold your control key down for a straight line, click and click on enter. If it's too thick, you can also make it 150. You select it first, and this will be it.